Yo, 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 yo. What's up, guys? What's up, my students? Today we're gonna be talking about complex numbers. Okay, what are complex numbers? Okay, first of all, it's notated as complex numbers. This is what we call complex numbers. How did we get here? First of all, what are complex numbers? Well, complex numbers are imaginary numbers that aren't on the y-x coordinate grid. There's nowhere to be seen, right? For example, if you have quadratic right here, it doesn't fall on any of these axes, xi, but it does fall on the other axis called, guess what? Z. Oh my god, I'm on the verge of busting right now. Oh, Z. Z, guys. We all played Minecraft, right? This is the Z coordinate. Oh my god. 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 So we have north for y. That's how we go up and down in Minecraft, jumping. South, west, east, west, up and down. WASD space bar. Oh my shits. Oh my shits. Z. Oh no way. Sorry guys, the scammer called me. Okay, so we have Z. Oh, Z. Alrighty, my life is complete now. Okay, but now let's talk about how we can use these complex numbers, right? Okay, let's say we have a top-bottom view of a coordinate plane. Let's say these are real numbers. How do you annotate the real numbers? Because we could say that this is either x or y, but then we can put the imaginary numbers, which are or z. I don't know. Don't use them. I or z, right? So this would be I, 2i, 3i. Okay. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And if we would want to do like 6 plus 7i, 6 over here, and count up 7i. 6 plus 7i. That is just how you go. 6 plus 7i. Right? Okay, but what is I necessarily? Let's say I is equal to square root of -1. Why this is a thing? Cause Euler, the big handsome guy, he had problems, cubic functions that didn't have real solutions, right? Like let's say he had like -6, 7, or like -49, 41. Like that, you can't even solve that. You would have to put -1. You can't factor that into anything, right? I is equal to square root of -1. I mean, because square root of -1, you can do that perfectly fine. Negative numbers though, no sirree, nope. But what would I square be? Okay, this would be I times I square root of -1 times square root of -1. It is -1. I3 -1 times square root -1. That is negative square root of -1, aka -I. And I4 is -I, which is negative square root -1 times square root -1. So let's do this first. Multiply. negative 1. That is 1. Right? But what happens when you multiply 1 by I again? 1 times square root of negative 1. That goes straight back to square root of negative 1. And I5, we could say, is I. Guess what I6 is? You would never guess. No, I promise you would not get this. It's, guess what? I squared, which is negative 1. Oh my. Oh. Holy. Okay, now let's try to add things. Add these complex numbers. How do we add complex numbers? Adding complex numbers. You used to do like terms, right? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 9i. That's our solution. 5 plus 9i. Make sure the I is like over here, because that's like better. Okay, but then let's see what happens when we subtract. Subtracting? Yeah, it's making me queasy. We have this. Distribute the negative sign. 13 plus 12i. Combine like terms. Combine like terms. It's the same thing. Negative 13 plus 0i. Make sure you have this, because we wouldn't want you to lose some points. Okay, what about multiplication? 3 plus 4i and 2 plus 5i. What is this? Multiplication. You can do the box method or just do it in your head. 3 times 2, FOIL method. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 5i, 15i. 4i times 2, 8i. And 5i times 4i is 20i squared. Combine like terms. 6 plus 23i plus 20i squared. There. But wait. What is I squared again? That is 20 times negative 1. Uh-oh. That's negative 20. Now what do? We combine like terms again. Right? 6 plus negative 20, negative 14, plus 23i. There, that's our solution. Bam.